Let me show you how to design a movie poster in Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 16 by 22 centimeters. Set the resolution to 300 and then press Create. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Now let's drag the woman's photo. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Now we're going to match the colors of the woman with the background. To do that, click on the image thumbnail in the Layers panel, then right-click outside the canvas and enable the Contextual taskbar. Click on Harmonize and give it a few seconds to process. Once it's done, you'll get 3 different options to choose from. I'm going to pick the first one. And if you're using an older version of Photoshop, you can always adjust the colors manually. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient. Follow these settings. For the first color, I'm going to choose black. For the second color, I'll also choose black, but this time I'll reduce the opacity down to 0%. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. Now choose the Type tool, and let's write our text. I've already typed out my text, and I'll show you which fonts I use for each part. This is the font that I'm using. You can find every font I used in the description below. And for the color, I have used this red color. Now, select the Type tool again and add another text. This time use a different font and set the color to white. Follow along these steps. If you have any questions, write them below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. This is the font that I'm using. You can find every font I used in the description below. Choose the gradient layer. Duplicate it like this. Double-click here and follow these settings. Reduce the fill. Drag this gradient layer under the woman's layer. Choose the second gradient layer and also reduce a bit the fill. And for the final step, we'll add these texts below. I'll also provide the fonts in the PSD file for you to download for free. This is the font that I'm using. You can find every font I used in the description below. We can add one more step. Go to the adjustment layer and choose Color and Vibrance. Then follow these settings to adjust the colors. Next, go to the adjustment layer and choose Levels, and follow these settings as well. Here's the before, here's the after. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.